The T-fal signature black fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen, and it will help you cook delicious meals. This 12-inch pan offers a non-stick surface, so your food won't stick. It makes cooking easy, and cleanup is a breeze. You can even put this T-fal signature black fry pan in the dishwasher after you're done. This pan is also oven safe up to 350 degrees F, which gives you more ways to cook your favorite recipes. Imagine this T-fal signature black fry pan as your trusty sidekick in the kitchen. It's a staple for everyday cooking, and it helps you create simple dinners, whether you're making eggs in the morning or a quick stir-fry for dinner. This pan can handle it. The non-stick surface is like a magic carpet for your food, letting it slide off with ease. Plus, the 12-inch size is just right for cooking for yourself or a small family. It's a reliable performer, month after month, for any home chef. The T-fal signature black fry pan is a valuable tool. It simplifies the processo of cooking, and it helps you achieve great performances in your kitchen. While it might not make you a professional chef overnight, it certainly makes cooking more enjoyable. Think of the delicious meals you can create, from simple scrambled eggs to more complex recipes. This pan is built to sell because it offers both convenience and good quality for your daily cooking needs. Pros: non-stick surface, large 12-inch size, oven safe to 350 F, dishwasher safe, easy to clean. Good for frying, versatile cookware, popular brand, black color, likely affordable. Cons: can warp easily, uneven heating, not very durable, coating can chip, handle gets hot. Limited lifespan, not for high heat, bottom not flat. Features: non-stick 12-inch, oven safe 350 F safe, fry pan, cookware, pots and pans, dishwasher safe. Black color, signature series. This T-fal signature 12-inch black fry pan is great for cooking many foods. It has a non-stick surface, so food won't stick easily while you're cooking. This pan can also go in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's part of the signature series of pots and pans. When you're done cooking, you can just put it in the dishwasher to clean it. This T-fal signature non-stick fry pan is a large 12-inch black pan with a non-stick surface that makes it good for frying and easy to clean. Since it's also dishwasher safe, it can even go in the oven up to 350 degrees. However, some people might find that it can warp easily and doesn't always heat evenly. It might not last as long as other pans, and the non-stick coating could chip over time. Also, the handle can get hot, and the bottom might not be completely flat. Plus, it's not meant for very high heat.